Ngibingelele kuwe mlaleli, ngiyathemba uzaphila-ke. Bengizocela kuwe-ke laphana-ke ukuthi-ke uma ngabe usamoshakala leli khasi-ke leli-ke wenze okulungileyo laphana-ke. Cindezela-ke ibhathini subscribe nje akubizi imali, kumahhala nje ukhishini nesenti elimnyama-ke leli-ke khona uzokwazi ukuthi nezinye iy'ndaba-ke ezintsha-ke nje engizobe ngilethela zona-ke kulo-ke leli khasi-ke leli-ke kusukela-ke manje-ke. So zingakuphuthi kule ndawo ongazi njengamanje ukuthi ugcindezele ibhathini subscribe njengamanje-ke. Udaba ulethele lona namhlanje seku-M_K-ke udinga ukuthi uthele-ke laphana-ke ngokuba-ke o-D_A-ke laphana-ke abize i-M_K i-F_F-ke laphana-ke athi-ke uyibize ngezinja-ke laphana-ke kodwa angifuni ukuthi wezwa ngami mina phela into nje edlala-ke ividiyo-ke uzizwele wena nazo ucela lapho emsizweni left comment section ufusha umbono wakho-ke ngalo-ke lolu daba-ke lolu esona ucabanga kanjani-ke. Nawe-ke le video-ke awuyithokozele.
Uza nendlebe ngize nendaba. Allegedly uHelen Zille useyekiwe for isikhathi eside. She always get away with this thing yakhe ukuthi whenever she talks, each and every time mayetholi i-chance uzolokhu ekhombisa ukuthi kahle kahle uba undermine kangakanani abanye abantu and undermine kangakanani amalungelo abanye abantu. Uyabona, uHelen Zille must understand ukuthi in KZN we voted for i-MK and that is a right. We possess that right. It's our right. We voted for MK in KZN. And it should be, as a leading party, it should be a governing party in KZN. So, Angazi, she was a journalist, whatever the case may be. She fought for whatever she fought for. I don't enter there. But she's gotten away with these things for far too long. She said it in the past, ukuthi colonization kwakuyinto right according to her. So right now, she's talking about this thing. Ukuthi tina ama MK we are dogs. I don't know ukuthi leadership MK yona izwa kanjani lento esho Helen Zille. uHelen Zille must stop this hatred. This woman is racist. Angazi ukuthi wayelwelani yena njengoba bemthanda, but mina I can tell you now ukuthi she's racist. Umuntu does not need to say to you I hate you or I am racist against you, whatever the case may be. But by izenzo zakhe then you can tell this person is racist. Uma ngabe umuntu ezokutshela ngokuthi abayifuni minimum wage, indaba zama grant, zonke lezi zinto lo obani aba receiver lezo zinto akusiba abantu abamnyama. So uma ngabe efuna ukunyathela ilungelo lomuntu omnyama kusho ukuthini, because kumele into yenzayo uma ngabe ungekho racist ibe equal. But ma u racist then into yenzayo izocindezela umuntu omnyama or ibonisa ukuthi amalungelo abantu abamnyama you don't recognize them, then what does it say about you? So you don't need to actually say it ngomlomo ukuthi I hate you, but by izinto zenzayo or the policies or the things that you believe in, if those things they seek to undermine umuntu omnyama, then that is racist. So I don't know ukuthi abaphathi bethu bayizwa lento ayishoyo na Helen Zille. Kusho thina sizinja. We exercised our right eKZN, not in Western Cape, eKZN. Tina we are not concerned ukuthi eWestern Cape kuphetha ama racist yethu kunabantu bakithi abamnyama lapha. We are not concerned. Yena she is concerned about KZN and go as far as calling us dogs. Awu Helen Zille uyadelela bafethu. Awu Helen Zille uyadelela. Yabona lokho golo uyadelela straight. Uyadelela ngempela if she has the thing ukuthi abiza abantu ngezinja. I don't care ukuthi uzama ukuthini. Once you say you are throwing KZN to the dogs, it is straight. It does not need to be analyzed. It does not need to be summarized. You are throwing KZN to the dogs. So you rather have an 18% party leading the province over a party that is 45%. Because that 45% is dogs. Asazi bafethu. Thina ubaba usitshela ukuthi ayihlale phansi bamba umthetho. But oHelenzile babhizi basifaka imino ehlweni.